Welcome to my class. Today we'll continue with lesson 2, that is in nouns we'll do today collective nouns. Okay, so what is actually collective nouns? Now collective nouns, they describe a group of people, things or animals. Collective nouns describe a group of people, things or animals. Okay, now you see here with the help of some examples we'll do this. Now if I say you a group of players, what would you say? A team of players. A group of players is known as, in collective nouns we'll use here, a team of players. A group of fish, a school of fish. Okay, now you see here some other examples: a litter of puppies, a band of musicians, a colony of rats, a colony of ants. Okay, not rats, a colony of ants, a crowd of people, then a regiment of soldiers, we can say, an ambush of tigers, a gaggle of geese. All these are examples of collective nouns. Now we are going to do this exercise. Exercise F. Choose the correct collective nouns. Okay. Now you see here, the teachers and students of modern school went for a picnic to the zoo. They were all surprised to see a large number of audience there. It will not be a large number of people. You remember, I told you an example, a crowd of people. Okay, here it will be a large number of audience there. Soon they saw a troop of monkeys. A troop of monkeys, and not fleet of monkeys, it is wrong. The correct one is the troop of monkeys. Prancing around in their enclosures. Next, they saw a flock of colorful birds. You have to choose here, flock or herd. A herd of colorful birds, this is wrong. A flock of colorful birds, this one is correct. They walked a little and saw a herd of elephants. Always remember, it is a herd of elephants feeding on sugarcane. After this, they saw a dazzle of zebras eating grass. They saw a pack, and dazzle it is given, pack is wrong, dazzle of zebras eating grass. Tired, they sat under the trees and ate their picnic lunch. Okay, once again I am saying you, a large number of audience, a troop of monkeys, a flock of colorful birds, a herd of elephants, a herd of elephants, a dazzle of zebras. You have to keep in mind here, all the nouns whatever we are using here, everything will be plural because everything we are using in groups. You see here, monkeys, birds, elephants, zebras, they are all in plural. Okay.
Start.
Now you see exercise G we will do. Complete this passage using collective nouns from the box. Once a gaggle of geese lived near a pond. Please see here, gaggle of geese. They were distributed by a troop of mares. The geese had heard of a pride of lions who protected all animals. When a flock of sheep was attacked by a pack of wolves, the lions had rescued them. The geese requested the swarm of bees and the parliament of owls to be their witnesses. Together the lions solved their problem. Now I will only say the collective nouns here. You see here, a gaggle of geese, a troop of mares, a pride of lions, a flock of sheep, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees and a parliament of owls. Okay children, just go through them. No need to write. You just go through. Okay, just revise once all these things because before starting the new lessons, we are revising the old lessons once. Okay. Now you see, we'll do this one also. Page number 19. Solve this puzzle using the clues given. Plural of class, classes. C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Plural of donkey will be donkeys. Okay, you know the spelling. Plural of sheep will be sheep itself. No change. Plural of box, boxes. Plural of watches, Singular of watches.
Start.
Okay, you see your children. Once again we'll do this. Solve this puzzle using the clues given. Plural of class. Classes. Plural of donkey. Donkeys. Singular of sheep. It will be sheep itself. Okay, because singular and plural form are same for sheep. Plural of box will be boxes. Singular of watches will be watch. Singular of mice will be mouse. And here you see down across, singular of woman, singular of women will be woman. Plural of branch will be branches. Plural of echo will be echoes. E-C-H-O-E-S. Okay children, so this lesson 2, this is over. This is actually nouns, lesson 2 nouns, gender, number and collective. So we have revised all three, gender, number and collective. You please go through. Thank you.